How to create poll in Telegram group is what I'm going to show you in this video. If you want to make a poll question on your channel, you have to open up the Telegram app on your phone. In here, you want to navigate to your group in which you want to create the poll. You now want to click the paperclip icon in the bottom right next to the microphone to the left of it. This will give you a bunch of options like gallery, file, location, poll, and music. You want to click poll, and you can now enter a poll question. Let's say, did you like this tutorial? Question mark. Then you can answer an option, and then you say yes. Add an option, say no. You can add up to 8 more options in the answers. You can then enable anonymous voting, multiple answers, or a quiz mode. If you're happy with this, click create in the top right. And as you can see, we have created a poll. Let's say, do you like this tutorial? Let's click yes. And as you can see, 100% of the people that voted yes.